Question 2. I am Vik Chaudhry, co-founder and CTO, COO at Buzz Solutions. At Buzz Solutions, we are providing an AI-powered visual intelligence platform that takes data in from drones for power utilities and analyzes it with our computer vision, highly accurate proprietary computer vision AI models. So utilities are at a phase where they have purchased all these UAVs, aerial vehicles, drones. They're doing a lot of inspections. But as you can imagine, with these kind of mobile sensors, there's a lot of data that is generated. So at the enterprise level, utilities face a challenge on how to store and manage all that data. That's where they are trying to build cloud infrastructure platforms within their systems. Obviously, that has to satisfy their IT and cybersecurity compliance. But they are also looking for software platforms that can visualize all this data, especially imagery in our case, and kind of tag the GIS component to it and also derive insights from it. So utilities have to think, how can they store the data at a large scale? How can they make the system more robust? But also, how can they derive insights from that data? Because that's where the real power is. Collecting the data is one piece, flying your drones is one piece, but the whole other challenge starts when you have to derive the insights from that data.